Hey, how's it going, guys? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2011 Honda Civic maintenance light reset. We are going to use these button over here, menu button, up, down, left, right, and source for enter. And we're gonna be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. Go ahead and press that menu button and scroll up to go to vehicle info. Enter on that. Enter again. As you can see, oil life is 30%. Go ahead and press and hold the enter button and go down to yes, enter on that, and there it is, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.